Publix sues Autism Services Group for alleged fraud. Publix Super Market is taking a Florida healthcare group to court, accusing it of exploiting a loophole and costing the company millions. According to a federal complaint filed Tuesday, the Lakeland-based grocer says ABA Centers of America, also known as ABA Centers of Florida and ABA Cares of Florida, submitted fraudulent claims that forced Publix Employee Health Benefits Plan to pay out more than $7 million. Publix alleges the group, which provides therapy services for autistic individuals, billed for sessions that never happened, used improper coding, filed duplicative, I think I said it right, claims, and even charged for services outside its specialty. Employees reportedly raised red flags after receiving large reimbursement checks that didn't add up, prompting an internal review. The lawsuit cites racketeering charges under Federal RICO Act, arguing ABA coordinated across its organization to push through fraudulent claims. Publix, Florida's largest private employer with more than 255,000 workers across the Southeast, says the scheme dates back to at least 2022. ABA has not yet filed a response, and no attorney has been listed on its behalf. Publix is asking the court to hold the group accountable for the alleged fraud and recover damages. This sucks.
This is awful, and Publix is trying to do the right thing.
Absolutely.
And then this group took advantage. And I am a proponent of ABA therapy, not necessarily this group directly.
Yeah.
But it is so wrong when you take advantage of a group that's trying to do the right thing. And I hope the individuals that did this get, if the claims are true, which I don't think Publix would throw it out there and put their name out there if they weren't. I hope the individuals that did this and made this decision go to jail for a long time for exploiting both autism and exploiting Publix for doing the right thing.
Yeah.
They've done the right thing for so many years and so many decades in our community in Florida, and it's just ridiculous.
It's this kind of exploitation that gets things that should be covered to no longer be covered. If it's easy to exploit, and just a vessel for fraud, then that's how they get denied. And that's terrible because these people need this help, and this is support that Publix is willing to offer, but do it the right way, man.
Yeah, and ABA therapy is one-on-one therapy with kids, and insurance a lot of times doesn't cover it, and I think Publix was covering some of that gap. And shame on this group. And it reminds me of because I've raised money for autism, I've raised money for the homeless. It's a lot easier to raise money for autism.
Yeah,
it's a lot easier to raise money for veterans. What was it? Wounded Warriors had a very similar situation where they had a situation where they saw, oh, that's an easy place. That's a cash cow. Yeah. And I think that's what this group did, and shame on you, and I hope you get punished to the extreme on this for what you've done.
Yeah. You're just hurting kids.
Yep.
You're enriching yourself
it's hurting the
kids.
next group behind them.
Absolutely.
That is doing everything right. And it's so hard as it is. And when people do this is what happens.
Absolutely.
So.
All right. Well, that sucks. Get punished.
Yeah. Go to jail.